Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to easily reset your PS5 Pro console. Okay, if you bought it new and if you decided to return it or if you want to sell someone, so it's very simple reset we have on the settings. So what you need to do is just go to this system. Okay, under system you can see this options, reset options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this reset options. So reset your console, or you can do default settings, but I'm going okay. So there is two options, default settings and reset your console. So I'm going to choose reset your console. All users and all data will be deleted. Console sharing and offline play will be disabled for all users on the PS5. So I'm going to tap reset. Again reset, yes, that's it. If you reset your PS5, all users and data will be deleted. Make sure if you have data, just take backup. Okay, after you select yes, your PS5 will automatically restart and then it will be reset to factory defaults. I'm going to say yes. That's it friends. Now it's going to restart. So don't unplug from the power cord. So that's it friends. It's successfully restarted. If you are seeing the screen right, if you're seeing that startup video of PlayStation, PS5, then your reset is completed